Hey, it's me, Christian. Real quick, I just want to talk about my LENSUN solar panel that I have mounted on my JEEP Gladiator. It's a 50-watt panel, and it's been doing great. So far, I have my light bar, my radio, my winch, my lights down here, and my CompuStar alarm system, all running just off my pure battery itself. It's a regular standard battery that comes out of the factory, so it's not one of those fancy batteries. With the solar panel connected, it keeps my battery topped off, obviously with the sunlight, charges it, keeps it going, right? Before having a solar panel, I had an issue where the battery would drain constantly, and it would be 2, 3 in the morning and my alarm would go off constantly, right? And the only reason that would happen was because I wouldn't be driving my Jeep a lot. To work and back, it's about 100 miles there and back, right? It's pretty far. So obviously, in order to save gas, I would just leave this parked at home and take my commuter. And so with that being said, like, it would drain my battery after not driving it for a week, 2, 3, right? So now that I have this installed, I haven't had any issues with the battery dying on me or anything like that. It's been great. I wish I would be able to actually test it more and do real world testing, right? Besides just, having my battery fully topped off. Obviously, yes, that's the point, but I want to be able to run a fridge, camera gear and other stuff. But obviously, as you can tell at the moment, I don't have a full setup anymore since we got rid of the camper for the moment. Hopefully we'll have something coming up soon, but yeah, other than that, it's been pretty decent and it actually does what it needs to do. Obviously, no issues. Straight out of the box, right? You get the solar panel, you get the adhesive, you get a vinyl wrap and instructions. Take your time when you install it, right? I was impatient and I didn't read the full instructions, right? Especially when it came to applying the vinyl wrap. If I would have read it, taken my time, I would have had a nice vinyl wrap on top, and I have to worry about my paint getting scratched up, right, when I take the adhesive panel off. Other than that, I mean, it's not a big issue if you don't mind. But once you apply the adhesive vinyl to however you like, you just press down and you're good to go, right? Super simple and straightforward process. If you know how to do any wiring, or if you've done any wiring yourself, actually, it's pretty simple. You just connect the terminals to the battery. Keeps it charged, right? You're able to download the application as well to monitor everything, to see how much you're drawing, how much you're receiving. So it's a pretty simple and straightforward process, right? So hopefully in a few months, I'll be able to actually do more testing, right? It's been a crappy last few months, right? From a foot injury to not being able to go out to not having a full setup. Hopefully we'll get something soon, or I'll be able to get out there again and do some testing for you guys. But until next time.